My name is Roberto Salazar. I came here and everyone was so passionate about being long-term missionaries all across the globe. It was infectious, like that passion. I decided to apply and then I got accepted and then I started my journey to go to Southeast Asia. I learned how to effectively communicate with my team, how to take initiative in whatever role I had, because being on a team, even when it was like teaching English, something as simple as that, like I had to give it my all. My primary ministry that I just gave my whole life to was ministering to two refugees in particular who were living there. They've never heard the gospel before. I got to work alongside Danny and we would both take them out to a movie or to dinner. We would both play badminton whenever we were free or play soccer. And it was absolutely amazing to see the Lord work and pursue them and use me as a tool to pursue these two guys. And when I left the field, I honestly could say I have no regrets looking back and saying and thinking, oh, I didn't do enough, or I could have done this better, or this or that, or like I just trust the Lord with it. I think this program is incredible. It's unmatched. I can't even believe there's actually like a program like this one, and the Lord has blessed it immeasurably. So yeah, it's worth it. Bethany's worth it, 100%.